Hello everyone, my name is Islam. I will be your mentor today, and we will be speaking about a very interesting topic and an essential topic in software development and programming, which is version control. So let's get starting. So first of all, I will be speaking about what is version control, why do we use version control, the types of the version control systems, and why in particular do we prefer to use Git as a version control system. So first of all, let's suppose that we treat every file as a book that has a start and end and chapters in between, and we want to make some changes, but we are not working alone on that book. We're actually a team, and we want to keep track of the changes so that if, for example, I did some changes and then I came back and I see that these changes were actually gone or erased, and I don't know what happened, this will lead to chaos, and we of course do not want that to happen. So version control systems are there to keep two important things: to keep history and to keep backups of the work that was done. So the version control systems actually preserves the original version of the book, and when any one of the team do any change, the change is recorded with its timestamp and who did it in the history as metadata, and the new version of the book is also preserved. So we have the old version and the version after the changes were applied, who did the changes, when was it done, and we also have the option to roll back to the old version and discard all the changes or commit the changes at any point in time. So let's suppose now that we want to do some experiments. Version control systems allows us to take a copy of the book in an isolated place. This is called branching, and we can do all the experiments that we need without affecting the original copy or the work that is being done by the team on the original book. Suppose that the team actually is excited about the new idea and want to experiment with me, so they can come and join me and collaborate with me in the new isolated place where I am doing my experiments. And after that we can decide whether to incorporate all the work done in the experiments into the main work or just discard it. So version control systems allows for collaboration and for doing experiments as well. So speaking about the types of the version control systems, we have two types: the centralized version control system, where there is a server and we all work on it, we do changes on it, and we collaborate through the server; or a distributed architecture, where everyone takes a local copy and work on it, and then after committing the changes, all these changes are incorporated into the server. The distributed system has some advantages over the centralized system because it takes the speed and the performance of the network out of the equation. You can do all the changes that you want locally, and you will not need to connect to the server first to do the changes. So why did we choose Git? Because Git is actually free, small, fast, open source program that has a distributed version as well, and it keeps the data integrity because you can rebuild the project from any point in time, and that makes your work easy, and you will not worry about losing any version or losing any change while you were working. So that would be all. Thank you so much for having me, and have a great day ahead.